fly!
Hello, Champ! Welcome back to BrightBYTES, where robots and tech secrets come alive. Today, we are going to explore a super cool word, Mechatronics. Sounds fancy, right? Don't worry, I'll make it simple for you.
Mechatronics is like a super team made of mechanics, electronics, and computers. It's when machines, wires, and coding all work together to create smart robots and gadgets.
But why is it significant?
Without mechatronics, robots would either just be dumb machines or only computers that can't move. But together, they become smart movers, building cars, flying drones, and even helping doctors in hospitals.
Let's find out where we can spot it.
Everywhere. In cars that park themselves, robots that assemble toys, washing machines that sense water levels, and even video game controllers that vibrate when you score a goal.
Here's the big question. When did it really start?
The term mechatronics was born in Japan in 1969. Engineers wanted a cool word to describe the teamwork of mechanics and electronics. And boom! Mechatronics was invented.
So, who's using it in today's world?
Engineers, scientists, gamers, doctors, and you in the future. Anyone building robots, cars, drones, or smart devices uses mechatronics every single day.
So, Champ, next time you see a smart robot, car, or gadget, remember, it's Mechatronics making it awesome! And who knows, maybe one day you'll build the next big invention. Until next time, keep mixing science and magic, little inventor. Bye-bye!